Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you know if someone has removed you or blocked you on Snapchat, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you in a very easy method how can you exactly know that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application, we need to head up to your Play Store or App Store. From there, go ahead and search for Snapchat. Of course, you're gonna find it. Once you find it, make sure you have it updated to the latest version to make sure everything works properly and to make sure all of us are on the same page in this video. So go ahead and update your app, and then you can finally quit the store. Now let's go ahead and of course open Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then once you go to your conversations, if you cannot find the conversation that you have had with that friend, that might mean that they have removed you from Snapchat. They might have unfriended you or blocked you completely. If you want to know that, you can tap right here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji to go to your profile. From your profile, you need to scroll down and you find the friends list. So from here, go ahead and open your friends list, and you'll find there every single friend you have on Snapchat. If you can not find them in this list, that means they have probably unfriended you or blocked you. To tell if they actually blocked you, you can go to the search bar right here, and then from here search for their usernames. If you cannot find them from here, that means they have probably blocked you. To tell definitely, you can borrow a friend's phone and search for them in their friend's account. If you find them there and you can't find them in your account, that means they have probably blocked you. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.